Namaste everyone. On behalf of Sanskrit Samiti, I welcome you all for this short video lecture series on Sanskrit and Mathematics. Today with us we have Mr. Aniket Ganesh. Hello Aniket.
Namaste. Thank you for having me here.
Mr. Aniket Ganesh is a fourth year engineering physics student in IIT Madras. Apart from his academic curriculum, he is also very much interested in Sanskrit and he has written two small shlokas in Sanskrit related to mathematics. Now I welcome Aniket to kindly present his shlokas. Aniket, now the stage is yours.
Right. So, this is one of the shlokas that I had composed sometime last year. So it goes like this. षट्पद वृन्द युताः पदवर्गाः कूनपदेन युताष्टहि दुर्गाः सङ्कलितेन हतास्तिथि भक्ता राशिरयं कृतिवर्गयुतिः स्यात्. So
Very interesting, Aniket. I find it like it is following some chandas, right? Can you please tell me or explain me what is the chandas behind this shloka?
right. So this is composed in the Dodhaka meter. The Dodhaka meter is defined as Dodhaka Vrittamidam Bhabhabhadgau. It follows that pattern of long and short syllables. The reason I had chosen this was because in the Leelavati we find some shlokas on summation of series, which are also composed in this meter. Hence, I thought it would be a natural progression on to the next step. So, some background context before this. In the Leelavati, also we find formulae given for summation of series, such as the first order summations 1 plus 2 plus 3, so on till n, which is n times n plus 1 by 2. And we have formulae for second order summations as well. We also have the formulae for squares of natural numbers 1 square plus 2 square, so on till n square, 1 cube plus 2 cube, so on till n cube. And that is kind of where Bhaskaracharya stops and moves on to the next topic. So, the natural extension to this would be the summation of fourth powers 1 power 4 plus 2 power 4, so until n power 4, which is what I have tried to put into verses here. So, this verse essentially.
Can you tell me the mathematical equation behind these shlokas? Can you just display?
Yes. So this verse essentially captures this, whatever I was saying, 1 power 4 plus 2 power 4, so on till n power 4. That summation is given in terms of n by this verse. That is where you see this Kriti Varga Yuti.
Okay.
Kriti refers to square. Varga also refers to square.
Okay.
Kriti Varga is square of square.
Okay.
Which is the fourth power. Okay. Square of a number is that number to the power 4. Kriti Varga Yuti is summation of these four powers. Yeah. So let me just go by this verse word by word.
Yeah.
We have Shatpada Vrinda Yutaha. Shatpada Vrinda. Pada is the word used to refer to the number of steps taken. That is 1 power 4 plus 2 power 4 plus 3 power 4, so on till how many steps you are taking till n power 4. That is pada essentially refers to n. So Shatpada
Can you display the formula here, Aniket?
Sorry?
Can you display the formula here?
Right, okay.
Yeah.
So the summation of 1 power 4 till n power 4 is given by this for expression here. Shatpada Vrinda. Vrinda refers to the cube. Okay. That is power 3. Shat is 6. That is self-explanatory. Yeah. Then we have Durgaha Padavargaha. Here a system called Bhuta Sankhya is being used. Bhuta Sankhya essentially is a system devised to make it easier to fit numbers into verses. It works like, for example, if you want to represent the number 3, you could say Rama, because there are 3 Ramas. Bhargava Rama, Dasharasi Rama, and Balarama.
Yeah.
Similarly, if you want to refer to the number 4, you could say Veda. Yeah. Similarly, here Durga refers to the number 9. Okay. So, you have 6 Pada Vrindas, that is 6 n cubes. Yeah. You have 9 n squares. Yeah. Kuna Padena. Again, Ku means earth. And in Bhuta Sankhya, Ku refers to the number 1. Yeah. So, Kuna Pada will be n minus 1. Yeah. So that is where you get this first term from 6n cube plus 9n square plus n minus 1. Then you have Sankalitena Hataha. Sankalita is the word used for summation of the digits, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on till n,
Yeah.
is n times n plus 1 by 2. And that summation is called Sankalita.
Okay.
Sankalitena hataha, multiplied with the Sankalita.
Yeah.
Tithi bhaktaha. Again, Tithi is a Bhuta Sankhya that refers to the number 15.
Okay.
Tithi bhaktaha divided by 15. Rashirayam, this value is Kriti Varga Yuti. Kriti Varga Yuti Syat. This is the summation of squares. That is
Wow.
summation of fourth powers.
Yeah, very interesting actually. See, I mean, if you give it to me personally, if you take this equation now, I cannot remember this equation. But with the way you have depicted the slokas now, it's very interesting, Aniket. Shat pada vrinda yuta pada vargaha. It's like very musical, right? I mean, even if you give it to a small children, say, suppose if this thing is taught to a 10th or a 12th standard kid, he can easily remember the shlokas. Okay, Shat pada vrindam. Shat means six. Okay, Durgaha, Navadurgaha Santi, right? Navadurgaha Santi. Tithi, there are 15, right?
Correct,
Very interesting,
exactly.
actually. So, I mean, if all the formulas are written in this shlokas, it's very easy to remember those formulas, right?
Yes, in fact, yes, that is one of the advantages of this metrical approach to
Yeah,
displaying formulas.
yeah. I think like in Indian mathematics, actually, the ancient Indian mathematics, basically, they were poets as well as they were mathematicians, right?
Correct, yes. In fact, in Leelavati and all, you see a lot. Bhaskaracharya was not only a mathematician, you also see a lot of Upama Alankaras, a lot of alliterations, etc. in his
Yeah,
Leelavati. Variety of meters are used, variety
yeah,
of
yeah,
poetic Alankaras are used.
yeah.
That is
I
how
mean,
Leelavati itself is composed.
yeah, I mean,
So,
that's
yes,
why.
they were all polymaths.
Yeah, you are inspired for this, right? So I'm very much inspired by this shlokas, and it's very great work, Aniketan. Such an engager
Thank you.
composed a very good shloka, right? And such a, see, the equation you can see, right? So big equation, 6n cube plus 9n square plus n minus 1, very big equation, and that too is like summation of 1 power 4 plus 2 power 4 until n power 4. Just two lines of shlokas, that too set to a very beautiful meter called as Dhodaka, right? Very good. Mm. Congratulate you
Right.
for this shloka.
Thank you.
So can you also please explain the another shloka?
Right. So the other verse also deals with the same summation.
Yeah.
You can see that it is also talking about some Kriti Vargayuti.
Yeah.
It is just a different form of explaining the same thing.
Yeah.
So this is how it goes.
Yeah. The formula, can you describe
त्रिघ्नपदेन
it?
युताः पदवर्गा भन्नय एव मृगाङ्कवियुक्ताः ते कृतियोगहताः शरभक्ता राशिरयं कृतिवर्गयुतिः स्यात्. So again here, Trighnapada is 3 multiplied with the pada, that is 3n.
Yeah.
You have then Trighnapadena yutaha, padavargaha, vannayaha. Vannayaha, vanni is nothing but Agni.
Yeah.
And because there are 3 Agnis, Ahamaniya, Daksha, forgot the other 2. So yes, there are 3 Agnis, hence Agni in Bhuta Sankhya refers to 3.
3. Yeah.
Padavargaha, vannayaha. There are 3 n squares. And Mriganka Viyuktaha. Mriganka refers to the moon.
Yeah.
And since there is only one moon, it is in Bhuta Sankhya, Mriganka is 1. Mriganka Viyukta is subtracted by 1. So you have this 3n plus 3n square subtracted by 1. That is one term. Then you have Kriti Yoga Hataha. Like I said, Kriti refers to squares.
Okay.
So Kriti Yoga is a summation of squares.
Yeah.
The summation of squares we know it to be n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 by 6.
Yeah.
So that is what this term is.
Yeah.
And then you have Sharabhaktaha. Shara refers to an arrow. And Manmatha is said to have 5 arrows,
Okay.
each conquering the 5 senses. So Shara refers to arrow. There are it is Bhuta Sankhya for 5. Sharabhakta is divided by 5.
Yeah.
Rashirayam Kriti Varga Yutishyat. This value is summation of squares.
Wow. I mean, the same summation of squares. 1 power 4, 2 power 4 and all.
Just factorized and terms are
It's
shifted.
represented in 2 ways, that too with 2 different shlokas, right? And both of them, and the
Right.
interesting thing is that both of them are in the same meter, Dodaka.
Yes, I wanted to maintain the same meter because it is what Bhaskaracharya had used for the other
Yeah,
summations. Just feels natural.
yeah, it's very interesting actually, and musical. You can even set into any musical tone, and you can teach
Hmm.
a school child, and he can remember it, right? Only thing he needs to know is just remember the Bhuta Sankhya. That's it. Vahni means three. Mruganta means
Hmm.
Chandra. That is only one. I mean, that is easily rememberable. Like, right. So if you take say nakshatra there are 22. Rashi there are
All right,
around
27.
27. Sorry, Rashi there are around say 12 Rashis.
Correct.
Similarly, in the
Yes.
previous shlokas we had something called Durga, Navadurga, Navaratri, Navadurga.
Correct.
Very interesting, Aniket, and very happy that you have written two different slokas explaining the same equation. I mean, explaining two different equations for the same input. I mean, input here is nothing but your LHS, that is 1 power 4, 2 power 4, right? But it is expressed in two different expressions, and each expression corresponds to different shlokas.
Right.
Right. Yeah. Thank you, Aniket. Thank you very much. And I thank everyone for listening to this short video lecture. In the coming lectures, we'll be looking more of such interesting slokas related to mathematics in Sanskrit. Thank you, everyone.
Yes, thank you.